Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. Litecoin has recently broken out this ascending triangle and also broke out this up channel as well. And before that, Litecoin was moving inside this quite long-term down channel on this daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also analyze these three breakouts once again, like breakout from this channel and from this up channel and from this ascending triangle. Recently, after the breakout, the price is once again rejected by this quite long-term uptrend line resistance. Let me just show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that this uptrend line resistance has been previously working here as a resistance, here as a resistance for several months. And before that, for several months, it has been working as a support here. And therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance. At the same time, it is also rejected by this long-term resistance of $100 that was previously working as a resistance here and support here and support here. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, price line has also broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 64% pump. And I would also like to show you this very long-term trade signal of Litecoin that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022. That is a quite long-term harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that Litecoin has formed on a monthly time frame chart. And this move is still in play. And we will also take a look at the targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cardinal move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 5th of November 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that Litecoin formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal. First, it again dropped down, more drop down inside the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 64%. Now, let's move to this long-term trade signal that I shared in the month of May, on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this is a very big and a huge harmonic bullish reversal Garlic pattern that Litecoin has formed on a monthly time frame chart. This recent one was formed on the daily time frame chart, but this is formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this is a very long-term trade signal. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving approximately at $62, almost at the end of this buying zone. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up from this buying zone. But still it is moving inside this potential reversal zone. But as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern, the sell target can be from $224 and goes to $348. Now let's move to the live chart of Litecoin, and here we can see that first on the daily time frame chart. And here, Litecoin was a few days ago moving inside this ascending triangle and inside this up channel as well. We have broken out both patterns together, this up channel and this ascending triangle. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, then target for the breakout from this up channel was here. That was approximately at $91. And we have also reached that target. And the target for the breakout from this ascending triangle was here at approximately $104. And you can see that the price line has moved up to $106, but got rejected by this long-term resistance, this uptrend line resistance, and also got rejected by this resistance of $100 as well. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, we will still need to break out these two resistance levels, this $100 resistance, a key resistance, and this uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line has been previously working as a resistance here, also has a resistance here as well, and support here, and support here. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance, and we need to break out this uptrend line resistance along with this $100 resistance as well. Now on this 7-day time frame chart, by the way, the target for the breakout from this channel was also here at $100, and we have also hit that target. But the long-term target for the breakout from this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern is still due. That move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.